There's Rocksteady, King of the Pit TV. We're listening to Autopsy, track 2 of 14 on Seven Survival. I've got the Wikipedia page open. Let's have a quick deke of it, see if there's anything interesting. We'll also have a look at the Wikipedia page of this actual record as well. So we won't go too deep into the history, purely as we don't want to cover anything which doesn't really circulate around this record. But the band recorded a demo in 87. And then Critical Madness, their second demo, was recorded in 88, it seems. The band signed to Peaceful Records and released their debut, Seven Survival, in 89. These early recordings featured a pioneering death metal style that adopted a slower doom metal influenced sound. That was what I was referencing in the last video. The next Full Left, Mental Funeral. Okay, cool. I'll just follow on regarding the second record. It says, the next Full Left, Mental Funeral continued in this style and has since been cited by many other death metal musicians as particularly influential. That sounds good. That sounds good. So let's see if there's any info on the actual record. Cool. We got a little bit of a write-up. We'll get onto that soon. So this is a Service for a Vacant Coffin. Come on. Heavy. Arguably, I've only heard one track in the start of this one. Arguably, if the sound sort of remains within this space, I'm going to prefer it more so than Cannibal Corpse's debut. This band, even in 2023, would fit on well on a hardcore bill, definitely. Probably steal the show, dependent on the crowd. That was Service for a Vacant Coffin. Nice mix and match between the slow and the fast there. Very cool. Disembowel coming up next, people. Track number 3.